Deep beneath the icy veil of Antarctica lies a secret that has confounded and intrigued scientists and explorers alike, a hidden mountain range known as the Gamburtsev Mountain Range. Cloaked beneath thousands of meters of ice, these ghost mountains are a breathtaking and enigmatic feature of Earth's southernmost continent. Although invisible to the naked eye, they represent one of the most fascinating and mysterious geological formations on the planet. Through advanced technology and scientific exploration, humanity has begun to peel back the layers of this frozen enigma. This essay embarks on a captivating journey through the history, discovery, and enduring mysteries of the Gamburtsev Mountain Range, exploring its origins, its significance, and the astonishing facts that elevate it to the status of a mystical geographical wonder. The birth of a hidden marvel, a geological overview. The Gamburtsev Mountain Range stretches across Antarctica's eastern interior, buried beneath more than 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles of ice. Spanning approximately 1,200 kilometers, 750 miles, this mountain range is comparable in size and scale to the European Alps. Despite being entirely hidden under the Antarctic ice sheet, the peaks and valleys of the Gamburtsev Range reveal a rugged, alpine-like terrain, complete with steep ridges, valleys, and high summits. Geologists estimate that these mountains are over 1 billion years old, dating back to the Precambrian era. However, their precise origins remain a subject of intense debate. Some theories suggest that the range formed as part of the ancient Gondwana supercontinent, while others propose that they were shaped by tectonic activity during later periods of continental drift. What makes the Gamburtsev Range truly mysterious is its preservation. Mountains of such an age are typically eroded into flat plains over geological time, yet these peaks remain astonishingly sharp and well-defined. The discovery of the Ghost Mountains. The existence of the Gamburtsev Mountain Range was first detected in 1958 during the Soviet Antarctic expedition as part of the International Geophysical Year. The discovery came as a surprise. Scientists had assumed that the East Antarctic Ice Sheet covered a relatively featureless plateau. Instead, seismic readings revealed the presence of towering peaks and deep valleys beneath the ice, sparking a wave of curiosity and speculation. Over the following decades, technological advancements allowed for more detailed investigations. Radar mapping and ice-penetrating sensors unveiled the intricate details of the mountain range, confirming its extraordinary geological structure. The Gamburtsev Range became known as the Ghost Mountains because of its inaccessibility and hidden nature, lending it an aura of mystique that continues to captivate researchers. A mystical landscape beneath the ice. The Gamburtsev Mountain Range is a place of extraordinary contrasts. Although shrouded in darkness and buried under a vast ice sheet, the peaks rise as high as 2,700 meters, 8,900 feet, above the subglacial floor. The valleys between these peaks are believed to house ancient rivers and lakes, frozen for millions of years. Some researchers speculate that these subglacial valleys could contain remnants of pre-ice ecosystems, or even unique microbial life forms, isolated from the rest of the planet. Adding to the mystique is the range's apparent resilience against the forces of erosion. Unlike other ancient mountain ranges, which are typically worn down by weathering, the Gamburtsev Range appears almost untouched. This phenomenon is attributed to its burial beneath the Antarctic ice sheet, which has shielded it from the elements for millions of years. The ice acts as a protective cocoon, preserving the range in a state of suspended animation. The role of advanced technology in unveiling the Gamburtsevs. Unlocking the secrets of the Gamburtsev Range has required cutting-edge technology and international collaboration. Scientists have relied on advanced tools such as ice-penetrating radar, seismic tomography, and satellite imaging to peer through the thick ice and map the hidden landscape. One of the most significant breakthroughs came during the International Polar Year, 2007 to 2008, when a team of researchers conducted the Antarctica's Gamburtsev Province project. Using airborne radar systems, the team generated high-resolution images of the subglacial terrain, revealing not only the peaks and valleys, but also the presence of subglacial lakes and ancient fault lines. These findings provided a glimpse into the dynamic geological history of the range and its potential role in shaping the East Antarctic Ice Sheet. Astounding facts about the Gamburtsev Range. First, the range that shouldn't exist. Geologists are baffled by how the Gamburtsev Mountains have retained their sharp peaks and rugged terrain. Over billions of years, tectonic forces and erosion should have flattened these mountains, yet they remain strikingly well preserved. This paradox has led scientists to dub the range a geological fossil. Second, the cradle of the Antarctic ice sheet. The Gamburtsev Range is believed to have played a pivotal role in the formation of the East Antarctic Ice Sheet. Around 34 million years ago, as the Earth's climate cooled, ice began to accumulate on the high-altitude peaks of the range. Over time, this ice expanded to cover the entire continent, giving rise to the vast ice sheet we see today. Third, subglacial lakes and rivers. Hidden within the valleys of the Gamburtsev Range are a series of subglacial lakes and rivers, including Lake Vostok, one of the largest subglacial lakes on Earth. These water bodies have remained liquid due to geothermal heat from the Earth's interior, creating potential habitats for ancient microbial life. Fourth, Antarctica's answer to the Alps. Despite being buried under ice, the Gamburtsev Range is remarkably similar in size and structure to the Alps. If the ice were removed, the range would present a stunning alpine landscape complete with jagged peaks and cascading rivers. Lastly, the oldest secret on Earth? The Gamburtsev Mountains may hold clues to Earth's earliest geological history. By studying the rocks and sediments preserved within the range, scientists hope to unravel the story of the supercontinent Gondwana and the processes that shaped the planet's crust billions of years ago. The mystical allure of the Gamburtsev Range. Beyond its scientific significance, the Gamburtsev Range exudes an almost otherworldly mystique. To imagine a mountain range of such grandeur hidden beneath a vast ice sheet is to confront the limits of human understanding. The range represents a world frozen in time, untouched by modernity and shielded from the elements. For centuries, mountains have been symbols of majesty and mystery in human culture, and the Gamburtsev Range is no exception. Its ghostly presence beneath the ice inspires a sense of wonder and curiosity, challenging us to explore the unknown and confront the hidden forces that shape our planet. The challenges of exploring the Gamburtsev Range. Despite advances in technology, exploring the Gamburtsev Mountains remains an immense challenge. The extreme cold, thick ice and remote location make field studies difficult and dangerous. Scientists working in Antarctica must contend with temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius or -76 degrees Fahrenheit, and the logistical complexities of operating in one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. Moreover, direct access to the mountains is nearly impossible due to the thick ice sheet. Researchers must rely on indirect methods such as radar and seismic imaging to study the range, limiting their ability to collect physical samples or conduct detailed analyses. The Gamburtsev Range and the search for extraterrestrial life. The unique environment of the Gamburtsev Range has implications beyond Earth. The subglacial lakes and isolated ecosystems beneath the ice provide a tantalizing analogue for conditions on icy moons such as Europa, orbiting Jupiter, and Enceladus, orbiting Saturn. By studying the Gamburtsev Range, scientists hope to gain insights into how life might exist in extreme environments elsewhere in the universe. The future of research and conservation. As climate change accelerates, the fate of the Gamburtsev Range and the Antarctic ice sheet becomes increasingly uncertain. Melting ice could expose the mountains to the elements for the first time in millions of years, potentially altering their pristine state. At the same time, this exposure could provide unprecedented opportunities for scientific discovery, allowing researchers to study the range directly. International collaboration and conservation efforts will be crucial in protecting the Gamburtsev Range and ensuring that its mysteries are preserved for future generations. The Antarctic Treaty System, which designates Antarctica as a continent dedicated to peace and science, provides a framework for safeguarding this unique geological wonder. Conclusion: a ghostly testament to Earth's mysteries. The Gamburtsev Mountain Range is a testament to the hidden wonders of our planet. Its towering peaks and ancient valleys, concealed beneath a blanket of ice, remind us of the vastness and complexity of Earth's natural world. Despite being out of sight, the range exerts a powerful allure, capturing the imagination of scientists and storytellers alike. As we continue to explore this ghostly landscape, the Gamburtsev Range promises to reveal new insights into the history of our planet, the forces that shape it, and the potential for life in the most extreme environments. In its silence and solitude, it stands as a mystical symbol of Earth's enduring mysteries, challenging humanity to push the boundaries of knowledge and embrace the unknown.